Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar
华语语法战士。
We're going to talk about reduplication of adjectives today. Ready? Let's begin. One feature of Chinese is reduplicating words. The most common reduplication is
谢谢
thanks. It's possible to repeat adjectives, verbs, nouns, and even measure words. Today, we'll focus on adjectives. Doubling up certain words either makes the meaning softer or stronger. To be less direct, using
小小的
as an example, we can say that something or someone is just a little bit small. On the other hand, we can also intensify adjectives, as in the example,
长长的
which means very long. This pattern means really or very and makes the description stronger. Time to take a deeper look. Let's start with one-syllable adjectives. Adjective plus
的
is known as the AA pattern in most textbooks. We'll be using this form more extensively in the following examples. Let's look at an example first. Tonight is a lovely night. The moon is shining from above like a dim lamp. Look at the picture and describe the moon. Is it
圆
round,
大
big, and
亮
bright? Double up these adjectives and add
的
after it. Now we can describe tonight's moon.
月亮圆圆的大大的亮亮的
The moon is very round, big, and bright. Got it? This pattern is simple. The only thing to note is that not all adjectives can be reduplicated. It's mostly for adjectives that describe physical features such as colors, shapes, sizes, and smells. Here's another example. You visited your friend and met her baby girl. The baby's eyes are big and beautiful. How can you describe to others how she looks? Start your sentence with
宝宝的眼睛
We can say
宝宝的眼睛大大的漂漂亮亮的
The baby's eyes are very big and beautiful. Mind the word
漂亮
which is a compound word of two characters and what we're going to talk about next. Two-syllable adjectives. If the adjective has more than one character, you have to repeat them separately rather than the whole word together. It's known as the AABB pattern. Let's use
漂亮
as an example again. A woman went shopping, walked through the store, and was amazed by what was inside of it. Look at the picture and see what she likes. It's shoes. Now, don't forget to use
漂亮
to modify the item. You can start with
她喜欢漂漂亮亮的鞋子
She likes beautiful shoes. Note that not all two-syllable adjectives can be used in AABB form. Here are some commonly used adjectives.
高兴
Happy,
热闹
lively,
舒服
comfortable, and
安静
quiet. Just a reminder, when we reduplicate adjectives, the meaning is already softened or threatened. Therefore, we don't need any other degree adverbs to modify the meaning. For example,
高
tall can be modified by the adverb
非常
to make
非常高
very tall. If you say
高高的
don't add,
非常
saying
高高的
already means that the height is impressive. Let's practice. Look at the picture and describe the room with the grammar point we've learned today. The answer is
这个房间大大的，干干净净的。
This room is big and clean. Correct? Let's try one more. Look at the picture and describe how the cafe looks. We can say
这家咖啡厅小小的，安安静静的。
This cafe is small and quiet. Well done. Now you've learned how to describe things by reduplicating adjectives. Don't forget to practice and see you at the next lesson.